In vivo and ex vivo gene therapies. In vivo gene therapy involves injecting a vector, most commonly a viral vector, carrying the desired genetic material into a patient. Ex vivo gene therapy involves first extracting cells from a patient. These cells are then modified with the desired genetic material using a viral vector. The modified cells are then injected back into the patient. Cell and gene therapy products, manufacturing challenges. As we saw earlier, cell and gene therapies are currently manufactured at a much lower scale than other biologics, such as monoclonal antibodies. Autologous and allogeneic cell therapies each have their own specific manufacturing challenges. The established biopharma manufacturing model can be used for the manufacture of allogeneic therapies, but on a much smaller scale. In the case of autologous therapies, the limitations are greater, as the established manufacturing model is not transferable due to the nature of the processes and procedures involved. The manufacture of both therapies also relies heavily on the involvement of skilled personnel. For example, in the case of autologous therapies, we would typically have a gowned operator operating in a controlled environment, such as a biosafety cabinet, while performing mainly open and semi-open processing steps. Greater human involvement means increased manufacturing costs, but also an increased risk of contamination and batch-to-batch variability. Aseptic processing must be used to protect every stage of the process and ensure that the final product is sterile before it is administered to patients. From a regulatory perspective, this is a major challenge, as CGT products must be manufactured and stored in accordance with current GMP requirements. Compliance with good distribution practice is also a requirement. In the case of autologous products, proper tracking and storage measures are critical, as each product is unique to each patient. It is vital that the right product is delivered to the right patient at the right time and in the right condition.